morning, friends. Yesterday, I gave you two examples how plants need water to grow. My dear students, today I will teach you why plants need water on page 50. Plants are living things. They also need food to live alive. Plants need food, but they do not have to wait on people or animals to provide for them. Most plants are able to make their own food whenever they need it. Now this is done using light, air and water. Light means sunlight, air and water. In this picture on page 50, you can see the farmer is watering the plants. Yes, my dear students, farmers water the crops in their fields. If he does not water the plants, could these plants live without water? Surely not. They would die. Again, you can see in this picture, brother and sister both are watering the plants from their garden. Why? Gardening is their hobby. To keep the plants alive, they are watering the pots. They are watering the potted plants. Thus, we see that plants, like animals, need water. Here is a question. Use your brain power. The trees in the forest also need water to grow. From where do they get the water they need? Children, when it rains, the rainwater seeps into the soil. Roots of plants spread deep into the soil. These roots absorb the water that has seeped into the soil. Thus, the forest trees also need water to grow. My dear students, on page 52, they have given you exercise to do. First question I had given you filling the blanks. Question number 2, answer in brief. Today I will give you 3 question and answers in your homework app. Write it in your notebook neatly. The first question is, in which different form water is present in our bodies? Answer. Water is present in our bodies in the form of tears, saliva, water running from the nose and blood. Question 2. Why do we drink water? Answer. We drink water when we feel thirsty. For proper functioning and lack of water in our body. Question 3. Why do cows, buffaloes and goats come to the source of water? Answer. Cows, buffaloes and goats come to the source of water to drink and bathe in water. So these are the 3 question answers you have to write in your notebook and learn. This question and answers I will give you in your homework app. This is enough for today. Thank you, dear children.